friends, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, now today's video. So in today's video, I will be explaining you the journal entry for cash deposit in bank. So what is the entry? What is the accounting entry when you deposit cash in bank? You all must be aware with the debit and credit transaction. So as per the golden rule of accounting, bank account should be debited because it's a personal account, and cash account should be credited because it's the real account. So in personal account our rule is debit the receiver, and in real account our rule is credit what goes out. So what is coming in when you deposit cash in bank? So bank account is the receiver, so you have to debit your bank account, and cash account will be credited because what goes out. So cash is being gone out. But the basic thing which you must remember, or many of you get confused, is that in which type of voucher we have to make this entry. So first of all, I will go to accounting voucher. Now just remember friends, that when you deposit cash in bank, what you're doing, there is neither the payment from your side nor the receipt from your side. What is happening? The liquid cash which you was having is now being converted into hard cash, because the liquid cash which you were carrying to spend is being deposited into your bank account, and now it is your hard cash. So just the transaction, this type of transaction where there is neither the payment nor the receipt, but still you are giving something and in your another account you are receiving something. So this type of transaction we call it as contra. So over here you will find it contra voucher. We are also having a shortcut key of F4. Alright, so in contra you have to make the entry. Now as you can see that I am into the single entry form of system, where you are having account and particular. You can also make it as debit and credit. That type of system, it is known as double entry system. This is known as single entry system. Now in today's video I will be explaining you this entry in single entry mode of payment. Why? Because it's very easy to remember. For those who are from non-commerce background but still they want to make the entries, many of you are from non-commerce background, and even if you are from commerce background, you still find it difficult to pass the contra voucher. So where you have to make the debit and where you have to make the payment. So fine, no worries, I will be explaining you in a very easy format that how you have to make your contra voucher entry when you deposit cash into bank. Alright friends, when you deposit cash into bank, just remember you have to enter bank account over here. Now there is no bank account, so I will create the bank account. So I will create ICICI Bank account number 001. Alright, you have to group it under bank account. So if you're having OD account, no worries, you have to select the group as OD, and you're having a normal current or savings account, you have to select the bank account. So I will just press enter and accept my ledger creation. You can enter all the details over here like address, country, pin code, alright, then the account number, FSC code, etc. So I have accepted this voucher, this ledger, and my ICICI Bank account has been created. So when you deposit cash into bank, where you're depositing? In bank. So in account there should be bank, and in particulars you have to enter cash. Suppose I deposited 1000, you have to enter the amount as 1000. Alright, now I was being popped out with negative balance because I am just making this entry without any receipts. That's why I got this negative balance. Now just accept this voucher as it is. Suppose you have deposited 1000 rupees with 502 notes. So you have to give all the denomination over here and type the narration as being cash deposited. Alright, and accept this voucher. So friends, this was about how you have to deposit cash into bank, the journal entry, how you have to deposit cash into bank. In my coming video, I will be explaining you that how you have to make the journal entry in single entry mode of payment of cash withdrawal from bank. Till then, do subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have liked my video, do comment it, share it. Thanks for supporting.